What is up everybody, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Facebook pixel to your brand new Fourthwall web store. That will be very easy process. And if you need any help for set up your Facebook pixels or set up your conversion tracking, you can contact me. I have more than 6 years of working experience and I'm a top rated freelancer on there. No more talks, let's get back to this topic. So this is my official web store that built with the Fourthwall, and I am going to install the Facebook pixels. Okay, so first of all I just want to show you how you can check your website is not connected with Facebook pixel. So for doing that, a simple way that I found, which is Facebook pixel helper extension. Okay, so you can install this pixel helper plugin for your Google Chrome browser. So this is very quick, so I just want to pin it because it will show on there. Okay, so my website and then reload it. Okay, so in pixel helper you can see it say no pixel connected. If I go to my product page, you can see no pixel found. So that means this website is completely fresh and there is no pixel connected. So let's see how to connect them. First of all, we need to go to the dashboard. This is the backend of my website, and for connecting Facebook pixels we need to go on the analytics section. In analytics section, this is the view of analytics, and here you can see my Google Analytics actually connected. And if I show you the 90 days data, you can see my analytics is getting data. I got 3 order, and with 3 order my revenue is $90 and the average order value is 31. So this all I get it, and the visitor total count is 178. So this is I got from because of I am connected the Google Analytics 4. Okay, so in the same way, if we connect the Facebook pixels, we are able to see this kind of data on Facebook pixel. So how you can connect that? Okay, first of all you can go on the page and check the 3 dot of analytics and then tracking pixels, and on the tracking pixels you can see this is my Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics account. Okay, and this is the way how you can connect Facebook pixels, and here how you can connect the TikTok pixel. But in this video I will show you how you can connect the Facebook pixel. Okay, so for connecting Facebook pixel we need to go on the Facebook pixel event manager, and we need a data set, and this is a data set account. Just we need to copy it. Okay, so this is our dataset ID, and this is the business owner ID. You don't need to copy it, you need to copy the dataset ID. Okay, you can see this is also visible here, and go back on the backend and input that code on here, and after that you just need to save it and done. This website is now connected to our Facebook pixel. So from now, if someone visit on my website, do any activity, my Facebook pixel is tracking that. For example, we can test it. We can confirm our website URL. So what we can do, we can just copy our website link and paste here for testing. Okay, so this is the test mode open on Facebook pixels, and yes, here you can see the page view event is coming, and this is received from browser and setup method manually, event ID showing here and time also on there. So let's go on the product page, and the product page here you can see the view content event is coming here. If I do add to cart, it should say add to cart. Yes, the add to cart is visible here. And if I click on view cart, then see view cart event is not available here. If I click on checkout event, so checkout, yeah, initiate checkout also coming. So I believe the purchase also will come when someone purchase the product from my store. So this is actually how you can connect your Facebook pixel to your web store on the that made with the Fourthwall. So Fourthwall is very trusted. You can easily build your shop on there. If you found this video was useful, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a great day.